Best 5 Kids Bathroom Safety Products are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of best 5 kids bathroom safety products from trustworthy brand to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 1. Rinse the day off of your little one with the Control the Flow Rinser Cup. This dual flow rinse cup features a soft rain shower spout that's gentle enough for newborns, and a waterfall spout to rinse off toddlers. The soft pitcher directs the flow of water out of their eyes and ears for a painless tub experience. Number 2. Keep soap and water out of your little one's eyes and ears during bath time with Dr. Brown's Dino-Pour Baby Bath Rinse Cup. The fun dinosaur-themed rinse cup features a flexible edge designed to direct soap and water away from your little one's face and ears for safe, tear-free rinsing. The sturdy, easy grip handle and large open cup design makes bath time easy and comfortable for baby. Dr. Brown's Baby Bath Essential items are plastic net zero since 2022. In collaboration with Plastic Bank, we've removed the equivalent amount of plastic from the environment that's used in this product, leaving environments around the world better than we found them. Number 3. Is bathing your baby a little bit like trying to catch a slippery fish? Not to worry, there's a simple way to keep soap and water out of your little squirmer's eyes, and rinsing challenges out of your hair. This convenient rinse shampoo rinse by Munchkin features a soft, contoured rim that gently forms to your child's forehead, ensuring their eyes stay dry, plus an easy grip handle so you can hold baby upright with your other hand, making sure shampooing is truly a tear-free affair. Number 4. Make bath time a blast with Nuby's Bathtub Safety Spout Guard. Designed to protect your little one from bumps and bruises caused by the hard edges of the faucet, this adorable dolphin faucet guard helps keep your child safe while they're having fun. The Bathtub Spout Guard features a convenient adjustable strap that secures the spout guard in place. This dolphin spout guard is also compatible with most standard bathtub faucets with diverters, plus the design makes it easy to install and remove. Staying safe has never been easier with the Nuby Bathtub Safety Spout Guard. This bathtub faucet guard is a safe and fun choice for your child's bath time. Number 5. Every toddler embraces his independence at some point and insists on doing everything himself. While that's a relief for mom and dad, it also comes with a price: frustration when they can't reach the counter, table, or sink. Enter the clever Extend Faucet Extender, a must-have for little ones who need a little help when washing their hands or brushing their teeth. The flexible attachment is designed to work with practically any faucet, bringing the water flow closer than ever before. As an added bonus, it's super easy to install and remove. No more standing on tippy toes to reach the faucet, because a helping hand is within reach. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.